today I'm going to show you my favorite video apps of the moment. And I'm going to start off with Quik, because sometimes you just have to make a video fast. Wherever you are, maybe you're at an event and you just want to put a couple of videos and some pictures together in a video. Quik is the way to go. It's a free app available on iPhone and Android, and it's really a fun way to create a quick video. It lasts up to 3 minutes, and you can also make videos easily square or vertical, which is definitely a plus point of Quik. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more professional, with more options to customize your videos with professional looking themes, I can definitely recommend Magisto, especially the desktop version. All right, then InShot is an amazing app that has a lot of different options. I really like this app, first of all, because you can change the canvas. So if you have a horizontal video, landscape video, you can easily crop it to square and easily crop it to vertical video, which is really great, especially if you're making a lot of social videos. Another great thing about InShot is that you can add text, and it's super easy to decide where it starts and where it ends in the video. And you can add pictures to your video, which is really cool. A lot of free apps don't have this option, and you can tell it when to start and when to disappear. Pretty cool. All right, so that's InShot. It's a great little app. And a tip, if you don't want the logo, you can actually turn that off for each video. Okay, if you want to add a video on top of video, so say, you have a talking head, like, I'm talking right now, and you want some video over your video, then you can use other apps. iMovie, for example, supports B-roll, which is video over video. A lot of people don't know this, but it's actually kind of hidden within iMovie. If you add a video, then you go to those 3 little dots, and there are several options how you want your video to appear within that project. And you can also select full screen over another video. So iMovie is super simple, very easy to understand. I love this app, especially if you are just starting off with video, but of course it's not available for Android. So if you want a little bit more flexibility, I can definitely recommend KineMaster or KineMaster, depending on what country you're from, and Cut Pro. Both of these apps are paid. So KineMaster does have a free version, and Cut Pro as well. But on Cut Pro, you can only export 30 seconds, I believe, and KineMaster always has a logo. But both these apps support working in layers. So over a video, a talking head, you can add extra video, you can add text, you can add your own drawings, you can add a voiceover. So it's really, there's a lot more flexibility. The only downside to KineMaster right now is that it does not support square or vertical videos yet, even though it is a little easier to understand than Cut Pro. KineMaster, I think you do have to pay a monthly subscription, and Cut Pro, it's only once, but it's a little bit there's a little bit of a higher learning curve in Cut Pro, but if you've edited before, then it's super simple. All right, those are my top apps of the moment. Hope you enjoyed that. Definitely follow me if you are not following me already for more video tips, and see you in the next video. Bye.